Hi, I'm Marcia with Osa Tropical Properties. I'm up here just below Osa Mountain Village doing my brand new listing. I will have some great videos for you. Welcome to my great new listing. Just below Osa Mountain Village. Large driveway. Now I'm walking up to the front door. There is a really large double garage, which is very unusual here. This is the front entrance with some gorgeous yellow palms. As you walk up to the house, you can see an upper deck. We will go up there. Here's the front of the house. Entrance into the garage. Before we walk into the house, I thought I'd walk around and show you the pool area and the view. Here I am on the patio by the pool, beautiful infinity pool, and look at the view. It's spectacular, and there are year-round sunsets up here. There's the infinity pool again. And then at this house, they have outdoor space, but it's all screened in. So let's walk into the house. This is one of the bedrooms, king-size bed, large walk-in closet, and really a very large room with air conditioning. Not that you need it, but it's nice to have. With an ensuite bathroom. This bathroom was just remodeled last year. Beautifully done. It's a really long deck. All screened in. Way up high with the beautiful ocean view. Then this is the main living area. Just off the deck. The front door and the large kitchen. It has a pantry room, stainless steel appliances, very nicely done. And the living room, and that's a big console for a TV. It pops up. Desk area. And this is the other bedroom. Queen size bed. Fabulous view. TV. And again, walk-in closet. And this is the ensuite, double sinks in this one. Newly remodeled. Really nice bathroom. Then there is one more bedroom. Through here. The laundry is set up in here. Little sitting area. And there is a half bath here. Also, a separate entrance to go outside. So if you wanted to have a little business here, you have an entrance, separate entrance, so that your clients don't have to come through the house. For you guys out there, here's a quick look at this great garage. And guess what? It has an air conditioner. This house comes turnkey, everything included. Here I am at the upper deck. Look at that view. It's cool up here. Look at that ocean. Thank you for watching my walkthrough video. If you have any questions, please email me.